Good morning to all. So I welcome you all maths class for class 2. Yes students, so we are already continuation of this lesson. So this is the lesson number 4, subtraction. This is the session 7. Okay. So in session 6 already you learned how to do the addition and subtraction using a number chart. Okay. So you learned that is. Now what we will learn here. So we solve the problems addition and subtraction. So those problems are how those are related to in our daily life. Okay. See here students, we'll start now. So they can given here Mahesh had rupees 30. Okay. So in exercise, this is the exercise. So this is the exercise. Mahesh had rupees 30. How much he had? Rupees 30 he had. So if he spends rupees 15. So this is orally we do this one. And what amount remains with him? So he had, how much rupees he had? He had rupees 30 and he spent how much rupees? 15 rupee he spent. In 30, so here the students are taking by finger counting fingers 10, 10, 10. 3 times this is a 30. So in 30 he will spend how much rupees? Rupees 15 he spent. So 10 plus 5. So here 15 I will remove here. So remaining 30, 3 times I took no here. Remaining how many? So rupees he has. So he had rupees 15. So 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. Carry 1 here. 3 minus 2 equal to 1. Yes. So he had rupees 15. So orally we do this one. Amit had a 15 marbles. Okay. Pawan gave him. So how much marbles he gave to him? So here 15 marbles Amit had. Okay. So how much marbles he had? 15 marbles he had. So Pawan gave him again how much? 5 marbles. So 5 marbles. What we will do here? Yes. So what is the total number of marbles with Amit? So total number of marbles means here what we will do? We do the addition. Okay. 5 plus 5 is 10. So here we become as, so 15 we add to 5. Okay. It will become 20. Okay. Next one. Rehan had rupees, how much he had? Rupees 50 he had. Rehan had rupees 50. Okay, 50 he had. He went to a market and he purchased a vegetable. So how much rupees? It means he purchased vegetable. How much rupees he purchased? 28 rupees he purchased what? Vegetables. So what is the amount left with him? What we will do here now? What we will do? Addition or subtraction? So we do here subtraction, because in 50 rupees he took a vegetable. How much rupees? 18 rupees. So in 28 rupees. In 28 rupees he purchased the vegetables. In 50 rupees, 28 rupees he already purchased. So how many amount he remained? Okay. So what we will do here? We minus, it means subtract here. 10 minus 8 is 2. So carry 1 here. 5 minus 3 is how much rupees remained here? 22 rupees. It means Rehan had a 22 rupees. Okay. It means left amount or remaining amount are 22 rupees. Okay. Next one. If 3 students are absent in a class of 26 students. So total number of students are here. Total number of students in the classroom are, how many students are there? Total number of students are in a classroom 26. Okay. In 26 students, there are 3 members are absent. Absent students are, how many members are there here? Absent students are 3 members. So we subtract from here. So total number of which one? students. So in total number of 26 students, so 3 members are absent. So what we will do now here? So how many students are present in the class? So totally how many students are present in the classroom? So in 26 we remove 3. In 26 we remove 3. How many are now? 26, 25, 24 we removed. Okay, 25, 24, 23 we removed. How many here? 3, 2. Remaining 23 students are present in that day. Okay, in the classroom. Understood this one? How to do? Okay, these are orally you made here orally. Okay, so next one, David scored 60 runs in a first innings. How many runs he scored in a first innings? He scored 50 runs in a first innings. Sorry, 60 runs. David scored first innings. So how much he scored? First innings runs are here 60 and 36 runs in the second innings. How much second innings? How much he did? Second innings runs are 36. Okay, what is the total score of David? What we will do now here? So we add both because what they are asking here. So total number of score, it means David how much score he did first and second we add now. Okay, see here students, 6 as it is, 6 plus 3 is equal to how much? 9. So total number of innings are here. David scored 96 runs. Okay, first innings and second innings we add both the innings and how much he scored? He scored 96 runs. Okay. Next one, answer orally they can be given here. Orally you can be do the answer. Okay, see here, first one they can be given here, second main this is the answer orally they can be given here. First one, first 6 plus 4. Okay, next one 8 plus 12. Next one 40 plus 3. Fourth one 30 plus 10. Okay, so orally we'll do this. Okay, see here students, 6 plus 4. Okay, so 6 I'll take here. So I'll add to 6 how much we add now? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how much now it is? 10. Okay, so I'll write here 10. 10. So 6 plus 4 is equal to how much? 10. Next one 8 plus 12 they can be given here. 12 keep in mind. Okay, 12 how much we will add to 12? 8. Okay, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So how much it will become as now? 16. So here 8 plus 12 is equal to here. We add 12 to 8. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay. So it will become as how much now? 20. Okay. Next one 40. So keep in mind 40. We add 40 to how much now? 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3. So 40 plus 3. 40, 41, 42, 43. So I'll write here 43. Okay. Next one 30 plus 10. So keep in mind 30. Okay. So keep in mind 30. We'll add to 30 how much? 10. So here 10. I will add here 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. 10 I'll add to 30. So it will become as how much? 40. Understood, students? So remaining are there in this one add orally main. So complete these all in orally. Okay. Next one, identify whether the given problem is addition or subtraction. They will be given here. So discuss whether the given day-to-day problems, those are related to addition or subtraction. Okay, I'll tell here. See, a Mary had ₹75. Her brother Thomas gave her ₹18. How much money does Mary have now? How much money Mary does have? So here, how many he had? Mary had ₹75. She had. Her brother, how much he gave? Her brother gave her ₹18. Okay, so how much money does Mary have? What we will do now here? She had already 75 rupees. Again her brother is gave to her ₹18. So this is the which one? Addition method. Which method this is? Addition. We add these all. Okay, so 75 plus 18 we add. Okay, next one. So strength of a class is 48. Class strength is how much now it is? Class strength is how much? Class strength is 48. On a day 36 are present. On a day present. So 36 are present on a day. So how many students are absent on that day? What we will do now here? So we will be subtract here. So 8 minus 6 is how much? 2. 4 minus 3 is 1. So on absent students are, on that day absent students are 12. So what we will did here? We subtract. This is the method of subtraction. Understood this one? Okay. Next one. So here next one exercise will be go as, so this is a mark tick, it is right, it means whether the addition or subtraction. Okay, first one they can be given here, mark a tick, write whether the given a day-to-day word problem is addition or subtraction. So that is the addition or subtraction what we will do. So just tick mark. First one, what it is given here? First one exercise, page number 136, they can be given here. First one, Ankita has ₹39. She has how much rupees? 39 rupees she had. Okay, she purchased a notebook for ₹18. So ₹18 she purchased. Okay, so what she purchased here? What she purchased? So she purchased notebook in 39 rupees. So he took a notebook. Okay, he took a notebook. How many rupees she gave here? 18 rupees she gave to a bookstall. Okay, so here how many amount remained with who's that one? Ankita. Okay, so what we will do here, this one? So how much amount remained with her? So this is subtraction or addition? This is subtraction. Okay. Next one. So there are, second one, there are 43 bags of rice. How many bags are there? So bags of rice are here 43 bags of rice, and in that 29 bags of wheat in a truck. What is the total number of rice and wheat? So wheat, how many bags are there here? 29 bags are there. So total number of bags in a trucks. Okay, so total number of bags in a truck, how many are there? Total number of what it is? Total number of bags in a truck. So what is? This is the addition. Okay, what we will do here? So this is the addition method. Okay, only we will tick mark which is addition or subtraction. Okay, next one. Two cricket players scored 24 runs and 45 runs. So two cricket players, they can be scored here. So one of he scored 24 runs and another one he scored 45 runs. So what is the total score of both the players? So both the players, so what we will do here? Addition. So both the players, total both the players, how many he scored? They scored. Okay, so this is addition. Okay, so we'll do right mark in the addition. Okay, next one. There were 35 kites in a shop. Out of them 18 kites were sold. Here see, there were how many kites are there? There were 35 kites are there in the shop. In 35 kites, how many are here? So 2 sold. So 18 kites are sold. So how many kites are remain in the shop? So what we will do here? So in 35 kites, he sold 18 kites. So in 35 we minus 18. So how much get the answer? How much is we will get the answer? So that is we can be telling as here subtracting or as a remained which one remain kites in the shop. Okay, so this is subtraction. So we do the right mark. Okay, so okay, remaining are there in this main. So continue. So next we are going to as a second main in this exercise. Okay, second main, what they can given here? Fill in the blanks with the sign only we can be do here. So fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks with the suitable signs. Okay, plus or minus. Okay, first one they can given here 12, they can given box 8 is equal to 20. Okay, second one 13, empty box they can given here 3, answer also they given. Next one 58, sign no sign here, so we only write. Next one 15 is equal to 30. Okay, see here students, so already they can be given answer also. So in 12, so we subtract, it will comes as a 20, or we added to 8, it comes as a 20. If we subtract 8 from here, how much it will come as here? How much it will come? So it's not we can get the answer this one. Okay, so what we will do here? So we add this one. 12 plus 8 is equal to how much? 20. Okay, we write here, what we write here? So we write the sign of addition. Okay, next one in 13, so what the sign here? Dash 3, so we can get the answer is 30. So if we can be add this 13 plus 3, so it will become as how much? 16 it will become, but here answer how much they can given here? 10. So what we will do here? We subtract. In 13 we subtract 3 from 13, so we can get answer is 10. Okay, understood this one? Next one in 58. Okay, in 58 if we add 18, it comes a 40 answer, or if we subtract 18, it comes a 40. See here, it is a bigger number, here smaller number. Yes, 58 is bigger, 40 is a smaller number. So we can understanding this is subtract. In 58, we can be subtract the 18, we can get a how much? 40. Okay, next one in 15 they can be given here. So here also 15 given, so they can be given here which one? Amount, that is addition method here. So they can be given here 30. So what we will do here? 15 plus 15 we will be take as here 30. Otherwise, if we can be minus, we'll write no. So we can get the answer is 0. But here how much they can given here? 30 they can given. So we will be add both. Okay. So remaining are there in this, which one? In this exercise. So today this lesson is completed. Okay. So tomorrow continue in the next class. This is the new lesson. Okay. Thank you.